Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to the Terrace Kitchen. You would have seen a lot of cakes made in Appe pan, but in this video, I'm going to show you a very unique cake made out of cakes in Appe pan. So let's get started. To make the cake batter, we need half cup curd, that is yogurt, which is plain dahi. You don't need to add any sugar or salt to it. Just whisk it till it becomes smooth. And next add 3/4 cup powdered sugar. Mix till the sugar is well combined with the curd. It's very important to mix the sugar and curd well. Next add half cup milk at room temperature. Give it a good mix. Now add 1/4 cup oil. Make sure you do not add extra virgin olive oil or peanut oil or mustard oil. It can be refined oil or any neutral oil without any smell or flavor. Then add 2 tablespoons melted butter. Melted butter would give your cake a very nice flavor. Then add 3 tablespoons cocoa powder, I'm using Dutch processed. 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, that is maida. Total 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Now give this all a good mix. It's very important to remove the lumps but at the same time not over mix or over beat the batter. You just need to mix it till it's well combined and there are no lumps. The batter does not have any lumps now, so I'm switching over to a spatula. So add 1/4 cup milk at room temperature and fold using a spatula. Once you're done mixing the batter and it becomes smooth, take out your spatula, keep it aside. While you scoop the batter and add to your Appe pan, you don't need to keep mixing the batter again and again. Don't do that. Heat your Appe pan at low flame, apply some oil. If you've got burners of different sizes, make sure you keep your Appe pan on the smaller burner. Scoop the batter using an ice cream scoop if you have it, or you can use 2 spoons to add the batter to the Appe pan. With this amount of batter, you can make around 30 Appe cakes or appam cakes. Make sure you keep the flame the lowest and cover and cook till the batter does not remain liquid. Make sure you leave enough gap for the cake to rise. Otherwise it would overflow. It would take around 5 minutes, so keep an eye on it or you might end up burning your appam cakes. Or if you're finding it difficult to control the heat, you can place a tawa below your appam pan and place that tawa on the flame. So look at the nice and fluffy cake. So similarly you can make the rest. To make easy no cream chocolate ganache, take 80 gram dark chocolate and melt it in your microwave for around 1 to 1.5 minutes, or you can melt it over a double boiler. While you are melting it, add 3 to 4 tablespoons warm milk. Do not add cold milk. If you're feeling that the chocolate has started to seize, add a little more milk. Don't worry, eventually it will blend to a nice and smooth ganache. So our easy chocolate ganache is ready. Let's move to the next step. We need some whipping cream, so I'm using 1/4 cup cold whipping cream. It's already sweetened. Add 1 teaspoon cocoa powder. So I've used half teaspoon measure, that's why I added twice. It's 1 teaspoon only. Whip till you get stiff peaks. Now it's time to assemble the cake. Take a cake board or a plate and apply some whipped cream. The amount of whipped cream should be enough to hold the appam cakes together. Place the cakes the way I am doing. So we are going to create 2 layers. Now pipe some whipped cream. I am not using any nozzle here. This cream would add to the taste and also would help in holding the 2 layers of appam cakes together. Now start placing the cakes on top and make the second layer. To fill the gap, I've divided one cake into 2 parts and I'm just stuffing it in. So be careful while you do this. And finally pour the prepared ganache. This is a beautiful, delicious and fun to eat cake. You can also make it as a birthday cake. You can add a cake topper in between or on the side. You can refrigerate this cake, just keep it covered with an inverted bowl or a big patila, or you can serve it right away. Make sure you always keep your cake covered in refrigerator to prevent it from drying out. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Terrace Kitchen for more such wonderful recipes. Give this recipe a try and enjoy!